In this recording, I'm going to make a new GitHub account. I already have a GitHub account. I find it extremely useful, use it every day. But to see what the sign-up process is like, I'll make one in front of you, and we'll see how difficult it is. It should be pretty easy. So here's the latest version of github.com. If I go to sign up, I'll just try making a new account with my work email. What do I need? 8 characters and a number and a lowercase. Did that work? Yes, okay. Now the username is quite important because all of your repositories will be linking back to this later on, and you have some restrictions. So you have to alphanumeric, or you have the option of hyphens. So for example, that's not how that works. My real account is github.com patlorp, because I actually can't remember why I didn't try for my full name, but there's some guy in Germany with my exact same name, so could have been him that took my name. But here I'll just say I'll pretend I'm a student from my course, Acton 3 student. Okay, perfect. Let's continue. Oh wow, okay, so let's see if I'm not AI. Oh gosh, this is one image on the left. What? Maybe I am AI. What's going on? Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, let's see, I'll open up my emails off screen because there's too much embarrassing stuff in there. Okay, I got a code. Oh, create it. Let's see how that works. Okay, well that was easy. Now I can start creating repositories to store my code. I can sign up for GitHub Education, and this is actually very useful. You get a bunch of benefits for being a university student or teacher, and in the past you needed to sign up for this to get Copilot, but I think that's not the case anymore. Well, let's try straight away. Okay, I've got Visual Studio Code, and let's see if we can get some AI assistance here. That's not the right one. New file, Python file. Now in the bottom right corner, what's this about? Okay, whatever. In the bottom right corner, there's a little frog looking at icon. That is the AI features from Visual Studio Code, the AI auto completion called GitHub Copilot. Or I think it might just be called Copilot now. Now, to use it, it is free, and all you need is a GitHub account. So let's see what we can do now that we have a GitHub account. Click on that. Because I'm already logged into GitHub, it's not asking me to get my password again. And I just have to agree to let VS Code and GitHub talk to each other. I mean, they're both owned by Microsoft, so there's nothing to worry about from the privacy side of things. Okay, it's taking a while. Maybe I'll just click this link. Yep. Okay, now I'm back to VS Code. And I'm still not signed in. Let me try that all again. Okay, so I just got this email. GitHub Copilot. What's in your free plan? How to get started. So without, as I mentioned before, you as a student, you can go through this process of going to, enrolling in the GitHub education program, and that gives you a lot of free benefits. And so long as you have in the past you needed to prove you were a student or a staff member by showing a photo of your university ID. I'm not sure if that's still the case. But without this, we're sort of on a basic plan on GitHub. We do get access to this free Copilot, and that's what I guess this email is about, telling us all the restrictions for the free one. So only a few different code completions a month, very few different models. Oh, okay, it looks like maybe we're working now. Okay, now GitHub Copilot is working. Now it's showing these automatic completions, and I just hit tab and it will just keep creating more suggestions. This is not the most efficient way to use it, but that seems to be working. I'm not sure why it wasn't working a moment ago, but there we have it. Maybe I'll stop this recording there and show you some more GitHub things in a separate video.